What's up guys, Stas here from Superior Science, and today we're going to make a DIY mini spoon catapult from some stuff you guys probably have laying around the house. So just to hop into some quick theory here, the catapult is a ballistic device, which means it launches objects at a great distance and force, and throughout history it was used as something called a siege weapon to attack castles and other fortresses where obviously just humans throwing stuff at a wall isn't going to work too great. And the first example of a catapult in our history is seen way back in China in the 4th century BC. So the catapult is so successful because it combines both elastic energy and kinetic energy. So the energy is first stored as elastic energy. Think about like stretching a rubber band or stretching a spring, and then it's converted to kinetic energy, which is the energy stored in a moving object when the lever arm of the catapult is released. And it's the combination of these two that makes the catapult such an incredible tool. The only materials you're going to need for this activity is going to be one empty paper towel roll, a couple elastic bands, a plastic spoon, and some tape. Alright, so get all your stuff and let's hop into it. First step here is you just want to grab your paper towel roll and wrap two elastic bands kind of in that X pattern around it, and basically the tighter you wrap the elastic bands and the heavier they are, the more elastic energy will be stored in the catapult and therefore the more power it will have. So the next step is just to slide the plastic spoon through the X that you've created with the two elastic bands. We're using plastic spoons and not metal spoons because there's more flex in a plastic spoon, which will also increase the elastic energy of the catapult. So the last step here, guys, is just to tape each end of the paper towel roll to whatever surface you're shooting the catapult off of. In my case, it's the table. And that will prevent any energy leaks or energy loss from when you transfer the energy from the band to the spoon. So now you're all ready to go and you can fire at will.